Okay, hi, good morning, everybody. So today we are supposed to have our English class. The reason why I'm doing this video is actually because I I I I want to repeat yesterday's lesson actually. So because none of you joined the class yesterday, so I have to make this video in order for us to complete our lesson plan lah. Because this lesson is part of the lesson plan, and uh, if you don't join the Google Meet, our online class, means you are absent. Awak dikira tak hadir. And also if you don't do the exercise that I give you, you are considered absent as well. So I don't want you to be absent. I don't want your attendance to be your problem later. So kehadiran awak tak hadir, you don't join the class, you don't do exercise, and then you will get punishment or something. Then it's not a fun thing to do lah. Okay. Alright, so basically today we are going to do exercise in page 20. So this is vocabulary lesson based on what we have learned before about food lah. We are still in the topic food. Okay, so but today we are just going to do some vocabulary exercises. Alright, so you see in page 20. Okay, this is in page 20. We have uh, A, B, C, D, and E exercise. Exercise A, B, C, D, and E. So basically, we will try to do all of this. Okay, starting with A lah. Alright. So but A actually you see the instruction number the foods in the picture. Okay, dia suruh write the number in the food here. You see, there's a picture of food here. So you need to write the number. For example, pizza. Can you see pizza? Okay, here pizza. You write at the pizza number one. But it's kind of difficult for you to do this in your exercise book. So we will skip this. Okay, we are just going to proceed with B. Okay, so copy and complete the table with the words from exercise A. Okay, this is quite uh what we call it, uh, quite challenging lah, quite uh, susah lah. So, okay, easy word to say is quite susah lah, right? But it's doable. Okay, unlike the exercise A, is not really doable because you need to have the picture and then you need to write the number. Okay, this one you just draw a table like this. You see there are four category: grain and cereal. Grain and cereal means kekacang dan juga bijirin. So it's a sample of for example, it can be like uh, corn, it can be like corn based cornflakes, things like that lah. Okay, fruits and vegetables. I think you know what is fruit and vegetables. Protein and dairy. Protein and dairy means chicken, fish, and then milk, and then we have sugar and fat. Okay, sugar and fat means makanan-makanan manis dan juga yang berlemak lah. Right, so we have a list of food over here. See, we have number one pizza, number two aubergine, number three eggs, number four wheat, number five broccoli, number six sweet corn, number seven rice, number eight cupcakes, number nine chicken, and number 10 croissant. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to take these 10 words. Okay, you see these 10 words. Okay, you you take it down and you write here, you write in this table over here. Okay, you write in this table B. Okay, you see we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We have 12 boxes. Okay, but you are not, of course you are not going to do 12 lah, because you only have 10 words over here, 10 food over here. But never mind, nevertheless, just do. Okay, just do it. It doesn't matter if you do it wrong or right, just try. Okay, grain and cereal means bijirin. Again, I repeat, grain and cereal can be food. Can be bread, can be rice, can be bijirin. Bijirin is like wheat, gandum, rice, nasi, and then we have noodle, mee. we have bread. This is a kind of grain and cereal. And then we have cornflakes and everything. Okay. Roti is grain and cereal also lah. Okay, fruits and vegetables, buah-buahan dengan sayur-sayuran. And then I think this should be easy for you. Okay, protein and dairy, again, just like I mentioned just now, protein is chicken, fish, meat. Okay, and then sugar and fat. Sugar is sugar lah, gula, but here we are talking about makanan-makanan manis lah. Okay, as you can see from our picture on the side. Okay, you can see there are a lot of food. Okay, so probably you can relate later lah. Fat is makanan-makanan yang berlemak lah. Okay, where we're talking about oil, right? Okay, so that is one. And then B. So tadi we do B. Okay, I want you to do B. Okay, and now we are going to do C. Okay. Circle the odd ones out. Dia kata bulatkan the odd ones. Odd ones ni maksudnya yang berbeza, yang berlainan. Okay, so you have to see the word. You have to understand each one of these word. Baru awak boleh tahu yang mana yang berbeza. For example, number 1 is thirsty. Number 2 is hungry. Thirsty is dahaga. Hungry is lapar. Number 3 is bread. Yang mana pelik? Which one is the odd one? Which one is different? Okay, so 1 is thirsty, dahaga. Number 2 is hungry, lapar. And then number 3 is bread. Okay, so if example for number 1, I would say bread lah. Of course, bread is different lah. Okay, bread is different from the other two. Sebab thirsty is dahaga, you want to eat something, you want to drink something. Hungry is you lapar, you want to eat something. But bread is makanan tu, so it's different. So number 2, dessert. Okay, dessert is pencuci mulut. Starter is something that you eat, kudapan, before you eat the actual meal. Okay, this is usually kita tak ada kat sini, tapi it's like you go to a restaurant, you want to eat something, you order chicken chop. But before you eat chicken chop, you start with french fries. So that is a starter. You makan yang ringan-ringan dulu. Okay, or chips. That is starter. And then baru you makan chicken chop. Okay. And then lunch. Lunch is makanan tengah hari. So which one is the different one? Which one is the odd one? Okay, number 3. Kitchen. Kitchen is kitchen, dapur. Chop. Chop is the way you potong. Okay, so you have like vegetable, for example, you chop. That is chop. And peel, kupas. You have fruits, you peel the fruit. Awak kupas. So kitchen, chop and peel. Which one is the odd ones? Okay, number 4, grill. Grill ni is a way of cooking lah. Okay, you grill, awak bakar ikan, you grill fish, you grill chicken, bakar tu, that is grill lah. Boil is rebus. Okay, rebus. And number 3, meat is daging. So which one is the odd one? Number 5, bite. Bite means you bite. You take a bite. You gigit. Okay. Breakfast, chew. Mula-mula you bite, then you chew. Kunyah. Right? So which one is different? Number 6, horrible. Horrible means teruk. Okay. Delicious, sedap. Horrible is teruk lah. Delicious is sedap. Mix, campur. Okay, which one is the odd one? Number 7, fridge. Fridge is the Johorian we call it ice box lah. Refrigerator, peti ais. And then jug, and then bowl. Okay, number 8, fry. Fry ni goreng lah. Okay, fry. Stir. Stir is also fry. Fry, banyak minyak. There is a lot of oil. And stir, less oil. Dia ada minyak but not that much. Sikit je. Knife, pisau. Okay, pisau. That is knife. So which one is the odd one? Okay. And then, exercise D. Okay. Exercise D. Complete the sentences with some of the words from exercise C. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to complete all these sentences using the word from C. Where is your answer? Your answer is over here. But you need to choose one lah. Okay, you need to choose. Awak kena pilih. Okay, for example, don't the egg in this oil. Don't the egg in this oil. So what do you think is ayat dia tu nak kena isi dengan jawapan apa? Which one? Egg. Egg is telur. Oil, minyak. What do we do dengan telur and egg and oil? Apa kita buat minyak dengan telur? What do we do with it? So basically we cook lah. Okay, so we cook. Don't cook the egg in this oil. Okay, that may be a good sentence. But can you see the word cook over here? Ada nampak tak perkataan cook over here? Okay, no, there's no cook. So it's not cook lah. Let's look at how we cook egg. Macam mana kita masak telur? So it can either be boil, kita rebus, or we can fry. Okay, boil, we use water. This sentence doesn't say anything about water. Dia cakap oil, minyak. So fry lah. So the answer is fry. So you put here fry. Okay, alright. Let me just okay, don't fry the egg in this oil. Okay, so that is example number 1. And then number 2, have we got a for the chicken and rice to go in? Have we got a, adakah kita ada for the chicken and rice to go in, untuk letak ayam dengan nasi? What do we need? What do we need to put chicken and rice? Okay, look from the list. Number 3, it was a great restaurant. The strawberry and ice cream was delicious. Ice cream, strawberry and ice cream what? Is it dessert? Is it starter? Is it lunch? Is it kitchen? Is it chop, peel, grill? Okay, right? Number 4, the is not working. All the food is warm. Makanan panas. Okay, so what are we talking about? Okay, what are we talking about? Okay, so what are we talking about? Makanan panas je. So maybe dia nak sejukkan. So when we want to sejukkan makanan, when we want to cool down the food, what are the things that we use? Apa benda yang kita pakai untuk sejukkan makanan? Right? Number 5, please the apple for the baby. He cannot eat the skin. Please apple for the baby. So we are talking about apple. Dia nak bagi dekat baby. He cannot eat the skin. Dia tak boleh makan kulit. So what do we need to do with the apple? Okay. Number 6, I will need a sharp knife to the broccoli. I will need a sharp knife to broccoli. Saya perlukan pisau yang tajam for the broccoli. Okay, what you want to do with the broccoli? Okay, number 7, you have to the sauce so it doesn't stick. You have to the sauce. So when people wants to make a sauce, what do they need to do? Okay, so it doesn't stick, supaya dia tak melekat. And last one, don't with your mouth open. It's horrible. Teruk sangat. Okay, don't kunyah lah, I think, with your mouth open. Okay, it's horrible. Takkan kita nak gigit tutup mulut kan? So how? Okay, so basically what I want you to do is only exercise B, C and D. So I gave you the exercise yesterday. Saya dah bagi dah latihan ni pada awak semalam. So the matter is there was only one student who did it. Hanya ada seorang pelajar je yang buat. The rest I haven't got from you. So I want you to do the exercise today so that I can give your attendance, and I can also give your attendance for yesterday. Okay, so please do this, and I hope I will get the answer from you by today. Okay, so please complete the exercise by today. So that's all. I hope I see you in our next class, in our next lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.